Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple pixel text effect. First of all, we will need to place our text inside of the image. And then by double clicking the layer inside the layer panel, we will open the layer style window. And here we will apply the layer effects we want for our text inside of the project by applying solid colors or gradients or contours or bevel and embosses. And if we're fine with our result, we hit OK. And we right click our text layer, convert it into a smart object, double click the image of the smart object, click OK, and then we right click our text layer and we rasterize the text. In the upper panel we search for image and image size, or by hitting Alt Control I, we open this window and we set the pixel value of 50 and hit OK. And like that, we have pixelized our layer. Now we will rasterize our layer styles, and we will resize our layer again by Alt Control I to the original layer size or any other layer size we see fit for this project. Don't forget to set to pixel repetition. And then we hit OK. We save our changes by pressing Ctrl S. Then we close our tab and voila, we're done. If you liked this tutorial, consider leaving a like and a subscribe, and we will see each other in the next tutorial. Bye!